Okay, second graders, today you are going to use mental math to add a 10 or 100. So you're going to start with a regular number and then add whatever they say or subtract whatever they say. The directions say use models, drawings, or mental math to solve the problems. Write the numbers that are more or less than the starting number. Number 1, start with 114. They drew that for me. 114. So 110, 100, 41. So it's 114. If I were to add 20, that would be like adding 2 of these. That would be 100, 3 10s, and 4 1s. So that'd be 130. Oh, crazy 3. 134. Okay. Now I'm going to erase that because I'm going to go back to starting number. And it says add 200. So that would be like adding 200s blocks. So I'm going to add 1. Oh, not a star. Add 200s. Like this. Here's 100. Let me move that. And here's 200. There's my 200. So that would be, there are 1, 2, 3, 300. So 3 in the hundreds place. Still only 110. And still only 4 ones. So it would be 314. I just am changing the hundreds place. It's like adding 114 plus 200. 4 plus 0 is 4. Forgot my plus sign. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 314. All right, number 2. Oh, notice we're subtracting. So start with 442 and subtract 3. 30. So 30 is in the 10, so I subtract 1, 2, 3. 10, 20, 30. Now I have 4 hundreds, 1 10, and 2 ones. Go back, start with my regular. I'm starting with 442, and now I'm subtracting 300. So I'm going to go to my hundreds and subtract 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. So my new number is 100. 2, 3, 4, 4 10s, and 2 ones, 142. Do you understand? Start with 336. If you add 20 more, which digit changes? Does the hundreds change, the tens, or the ones? Go to the next slide. Okay, the directions say use models, drawings, or mental math to solve the problems. Write the numbers that are more or less than the starting number. Remember, the word more means the number should be getting bigger. If it says less, the number should be getting smaller. So number 3, let's get started. You're going to do this on your own. Start with 413. They have done that for you. You're going to do 30 more, so you're going to add 30. And down here, you're going to do 300 more, so you're going to add 300, but you always start with 413. Number 4, start with 325. What would 20 less be? Minus 20. And what would 200 less be? Minus 200. If you want to write the problem out, you can. It would look like this. 325 minus 20. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Oh, look, I did that one for you. 305. Okay. You want to do 200 less, you would subtract 325 minus 200. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So that answer is 125. There's how you do the math part. Number 6, what is the rule? Going from 200 to 500, 400 to 700, 500 to 800. What are they going? What is the rule? They're going up by how many? So you can write that. Going up by blank. How much are they going up by? Go to the back. Solve the problems below. Number 6. 183 people are in line. 20 more people get in line. How many people are in line now? Blank people. That's what you're going to write your answer in. If you need to draw the picture, go ahead. Number 7, there are 327 people at the game. 100 people leave. So they're leaving, they're going away. Which number shows how many people are left? So you start with 327 and 100 go away. What's left over? And number 8. Yes, you have to do the journal. Choose a 3-digit number and draw a model showing the hundreds, tens, and ones. What number is 30 more? Write the new number. Remember, just a reminder that this is what a 100 model looks like. Just a square. This is what a tens model looks like. Just a rectangle. And this is what a ones model looks like. Just a small little square. Okay. Hundreds, tens, and ones. I don't know why what do you call this? My stylus isn't working very well today. All right, when you are done, have it checked. And then you may go and look on Seesaw and see what other people wrote for the Do You Understand?